Okay.
Yeah. So go to the event manager.
What was that? Sorry.
Yeah, go to the event manager.
Event manager. Okay.
Go to the data source.
Okay.
And then 362. Yeah, okay. Just go to the settings.
Okay.
Just scroll down. Scroll down. Okay. Okay. Scroll down. Scroll down. Yeah. Wait. Can you see generate access token? Can you see?
What was that? Sorry.
Set up direct integration. Can you see set up direct integration under generate access token? Set up integration. No.
Oh, here.
Yeah. So just create
Yeah,
this.
it has to be admin level.
Yeah, you don't have admin access. That's why it's mandatory admin access. When you have admin access, then you can create this. Otherwise, not.
Okay. Okay. Alrighty. Well, let me message Greg and let's see if we can get you that pretty soon. Okay.
And another one. Do you have a Google Analytics Pro access right now?
The what access, right?
Google Analytics Pro.
Oh yeah, I don't have admin access to that, but I do have. I can get in here.
Yeah, I see. So please go to the admin section.
How do I do that? Just here.
Settings here. Then user account access management. Can you see? Just select
user account.
First, top bar account settings. Can you see the right?
Oh, here.
No, yeah. Account access and management.
Okay.
Maybe you don't have it right now. Admin access. Maybe you don't.
Yeah, I don't think so.
Yeah, this is the issue. So try to collect everything, because also if you want to analyze, then obviously you need this. Understand?
Okay. So okay, let me message Greg and then we'll get you in there. Okay.
Okay, sure. That's why I said. So I want to talk with you something like that Google has, because Greg already talked with me something. So could you tell me actually what issues and how many days you are working with Greg, and you are also use this Google Ads Manager?
No, so I don't use the Google Ads Manager. I usually just make Meta ads. But I'm part of the team, so I've been with Greg for 2 years now, but I don't have experience in the Google stuff. So yeah.
So could you tell me, you were maybe Meta expert, right?
No, I'm just learning as I go.
Okay, no issue. So I want to check also in the Ads Manager actually have a custom audience or not, because already Greg say, please help me for this. So obviously I'll try for my best. So share your screen, please. Again, I'll try to see actually do you have a right now custom audience or not. We are just checking. Okay.
So where do I go? Sorry.
Yeah. So please go to the audience. Yeah, there. Just click audience. So you are creating already video views, parcels, view content, add to cart, checkout. Okay, you have a right now audience already, but I don't know actually. When I see, I'm sharing my screen. Try to follow this. Greg only give me event manager access. Just so actually I can't actually analyze this in Meta Ads Manager. I'm already analyzing Google Ads Manager. So when I analyze, then I found some issues. Like first of all, actually not set up in the matter of mainly need in the conversion tracking properly. Google Ads conversion tracking. Also need to the customer data send properly. Otherwise, actually Google not understand and not optimize in ads, right? So that's why technically at first we need to the Google Ads conversion tracking setup. Then also you need to the dynamic remarketing create, because when you have a data and if you send properly in Google dynamically working your service, like your product, women's are clothing maybe. So this type of, and also you need to the A/B testing process. I'm already seeing actually you are already using the SARS, PMAX, shopping ads also. So actually not working the tracking at first. Secondly, not finding the high performance product for in the different campaign and all product in the different campaign. In the separate campaign, if you run, then you can analyze actually which product. So this type of issue I find out. So at first I want to the fix these issues like Meta. Then when I finish, then I'll try to talk with them in the Google service and how can we optimize. And then I will try to the advice provide. Okay. So Greg right now may be busy with another meeting. So
also as soon as he's off, I'll let you know if you're available so we can all meet and see what he says. But I'll keep you updated.
Sure. I'm already always trying to update. Actually, if we are connecting Fiverr, Fiverr have some rules and regulation for me at least, because I'm a freelancer. So I can't say directly you need to do this, because sometimes you are using in the WhatsApp marketing, WhatsApp, email, phone number. If we use this word on Fiverr gets me. Understand? that's
Oh
why
wow. Okay, I see what you're saying. Yeah. Mhm.
that's why I say we need to the arrange a different like WhatsApp group. Then
Yeah.
if
Yeah. Okay.
anything need, we can feel free talk about this topic, right? So that's
Perfect. Okay, that
so
works.
I'm sharing my screen.
Okay, let
Maybe
me ensure.
Greg